Welcome to Bankline, where you can view all your business accounts in one place, manage your finances, and complete everyday tasks whenever you choose. You can even stop checks here. It's quick and easy, so let's take a look. To do this, you'll need the relevant account servicing privileges or access to view a statement or balance. Select Account Servicing from the main menu at the top of your page. Then, click Stop a Cheque, which will open a new tab. Now, select the account that the cheque is from and choose the type of stop you want to place. Let's say you want to stop a range of cheques in sequence. Just fill in the details, then click Add to Basket. If you're stopping individual cheques, you can continue to add additional stops in the same way. Next, check the details of the stops you're applying, and when you're happy, select Review Request, then Submit Request. And that's it, we'll take it from there. We'll complete single cheque requests in 20 minutes, and requests for up to 50 cheques in an hour. Larger requests will be processed straight away, but may take a little longer to complete. Requests made after 5 PM, on a weekend, or on a bank holiday will be processed the next working day. This is just one of the ways Bankline could make your life a little easier. To find out more about Bankline and how it could help your business, just visit us here.